So this is just a quick resource to show the principles of a vertical cutting plane cutting through an object. So in this example we're using the pear, and we have our cutting plane here identified by the clear laminate. So we know it's a vertical cutting plane because it meets our horizontal plane HP at 90 degrees or perpendicular. And it is also, the vertical cutting plane is also parallel to our VP vertical plane, as it uses the vertical plane as its reference plane. So when looking at the cutting plane, the vertical cutting plane in plan view, it will appear as a line and it will be parallel to our VP. So the cutting plane is cutting through our pear. So we can remove now the front section of our pear. So by removing the front section of our pear by a vertical section plane, we can see the internal parts of the pear, which we would not be able to see without using a sectional plane. So this could quite simply be a machine part that you're going to turn on the lathe, or perhaps mill on the milling machine. It gives us additional information that we would not get without cutting through the object or using a sectional view of the object. So in this instance we have a vertical cutting plane, and that in turn gives us a sectional elevation of the object, in this case the pear. So vertical sectional planes allow us to do a sectioned elevation of an object or a part. So the sectional elevation will be projected onto the VP or the vertical plane like so. So just to recap, we have our vertical cutting plane or section plane identified by the clear laminate cutting through the centre or middle of our pear or object. We can then remove the front of the object to view the sectional elevation or the internal components or parts of the pear or object that we would not be allowed to see without using a section plane. So I hope this was useful, and thank you for listening.